Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just follow our 5 easy steps. Step 1. Select the garage door material to fit your lifestyle. Most garage doors are made of 4 different materials: wood, steel, vinyl, and aluminum, each with its own unique look to enhance the style of your home. Wood. Wood garage doors provide natural warmth and beauty. You can choose different types of wood, like clear cedar or mahogany, that can be painted or stained to coordinate with other elements on your home. Steel. Steel is the most popular garage door material due to its durability, easy maintenance, and quality appearance. Steel garage doors provide long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Steel doors feature wood grain embossment with deep sculpted design panels for the quality look of a wood door. Vinyl. Vinyl garage doors are rust and dent resistant, so they're a good choice for homes in salt spray environments. No matter where you live, garage doors built with resilient vinyl are designed to help seal out the elements. No worries about warping, rotting, splitting, or cracking. Aluminum. Looking for a more contemporary garage door to complement your home? Aluminum doors feature sleek, modern styling and provide more natural light. Bring the outdoors inside with an aluminum garage door. These rust-resistant, low-maintenance doors offer large expanses of glass to brighten your indoor space. Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just start with a visit to the ASSA ABLOY Garage Door Designer on our website.